Good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about vacationing on Sanibel Island in an RV, a trailer or a tent. Let's start at the beginning. Before getting to the island you must pass through the gateway to the islands, the Causeway toll booths. The approach to the toll booths has many signs that can be very confusing. In a nutshell, this is what you need to know. Stay in the right or middle lanes for the attended booths. The left lane is reserved solely for vehicles with a leeway transponder or sun pass. The toll for cars and vehicles with 2 axles is $6. Each additional axle is $3. Have your payment ready. They accept cash only, but will provide change. No credit or debit cards. If you do not have the cash, they will take a photograph of your license plate and send you a bill in the mail. Once you cross through the toll plaza, you are on the 3-mile-long Causeway Road. The road consists of 3 bridges and 2 man-made islands. The 2 islands make a perfect place to pull your rig over and soak in the beauty of San Carlos Bay. There are palm trees, grills and picnic tables. Restroom facilities are on the 2nd island closest to Sanibel. And the best part, parking is abundant and free. If you're lucky enough, the winds will be right and you will enjoy a show by the local windsurfers and kiteboarders. Keep your eyes peeled for dolphins playing in the water. It's also a popular spot to cast a fishing line. If you're an early bird, you will see the fantastic sunrise over Fort Myers Beach to the east. Or in the evenings, the sunset to the west is spectacular. Please be aware overnight parking is prohibited. Now let's continue on to Sanibel. If you're planning a day trip to the islands, I'm now going to share with you the top places to visit where you can park your RV. First up will be the Lighthouse Beach parking lot at 110 Periwinkle Way. As you come onto the island, turn left at the 4-way stop and travel about 1.5 miles down Periwinkle Way. There are 2 dedicated parking spaces for RVs between 20 and 30 feet. Parking is $5 per hour, payable with cash or credit card at a fee booth. There is a ton to see and do at this beach, including spectacular shelling and viewing the historic lighthouse. There are restrooms, outside showers, a shaded picnic area with grills. Check out the episode we did about the history of the lighthouse. Make sure you stop at the fishing pier to see what the catch of the day is, or bring your rod and join in the fun. Please note a fishing license is required. The next RV accessible parking lot is the Tarpon Bay Road Public Beach Parking, also known as the Trost Parking Lot. The address is at 205 Tarpon Bay Road. There are 2 RV parking spots for vehicles with a maximum length of 30 feet. The fees are the same at $5 per hour. Tarpon Bay Beach Park is about a 1/10 of a mile walk from the lot. There are restrooms with outdoor showers at the parking lot as well as at the beach entrance. There are also picnic tables at the beach entrance. The beach is a perfect spot to shell, sunbathe and enjoy the warm Gulf waters. You're very close to the most southern point of Sanibel Island at this beach. The last lot I want to mention is Bowman's Beach parking lot. As you drive along the Sanibel Captiva Road towards Captiva, you will come to Bowman's Beach Road on the left-hand side. Turn down that road and you will come across the parking lot on your right. The address for the parking lot is 1700 Bowman's Beach Road. The parking lot has 5 long vehicle spots, 2 for cars with trailers and 3 for RVs between 20 to 30 feet. 2 of the RV spots are at the back of the parking lot and 1 is close to the exit. Amenities include an exercise and hiking trail, kids playground and a kayak and paddleboard launch. There are also picnic tables, grills, restrooms and outdoor showers. The actual beach is a 1/4 mile walk from the parking lot, but it's well worth the hike. You cross over the Back Bay Estuary and end up at a gorgeous beach. We did a whole episode on Bowman's Beach, check it out after this is over. As well as RV friendly parking lots, there are some amazing attractions that can accommodate RVs. First up is the J.N. Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge. It is one of the most visited spots on the islands and welcomes RVs. There are 2 dedicated parking spots. There is a free visitor education centre and a 4-mile long wildlife drive through the Sanibel ecosystem. You can take your RV along the trail, or you can bike or walk. Or if you prefer, they offer guided tram tours. The visitor centre is open year-round, and Wildlife Drive is open every day except Fridays. Next up is Tarpon Bay Explorers. At 900 Tarpon Bay Road, Tarpon Bay Explorers is located at the northern end of Tarpon Bay Road and is actually part of the J.N. Ding-Darling National Wildlife Refuge. They have 2 parking spots that will accommodate vehicles up to 35 feet in length. Their Visitor Education Centre gives you a wonderful viewing deck that overlooks Tarpon Bay. They offer canoe, kayak and stand-up paddleboard rentals, as well as a variety of guided tours. They sell bait and have a well-stocked gift shop. There is also a launch spot for personal watercraft. Tarpon Bay Explorers is open 7 days a week, 8 AM to 6 PM. Visit tarponbayexplorers.com for more details. There are many other wonderful museums and attractions like Crow, SCCF and the Bailey Matthews National Shell Museum, as well as shopping plazas to visit. While they do not have dedicated parking spots, most parking lots are large and should be able to accommodate RVs. Check out our video 4 must-visit spots on Sanibel, where we highlight these attractions. I will leave a link in the end screen and in the comments below. The 2 main grocery stores, Jerry's and Bailey's, also have large parking lots that could accommodate RVs. For those lucky people staying overnight, let me introduce you to Sanibel's only camping facility. This wonderful family-owned park is easy to find. As you come onto the island, turn right at the 4-way stop onto Periwinkle Way. The campground is located a third of a mile on the left-hand side at 1119 Periwinkle Way. Periwinkle Park and Campground can facilitate RVs, trailers and tents. A majority of the sites have a concrete pad and hookups. There are a limited amount of primitive tent camping spots. The park offers long and short-term stays. It's important to note they do not allow dogs or mopeds, and they do not take credit cards. The campground closes for check-in at 8 PM, but they do have spots with hookups outside of the gate where you can camp until the check-in opens in the morning. The campground has all the usual facilities like restrooms, showers, and laundry. The spectacular highlight of the park is the extensive aviary featuring exotic and native birds. They also have brown and ringtail lemurs and squirrel monkeys. During season, they have a hugely popular bird show. Hours and times vary. The campground is located close to restaurants, many within a short walk from the front of the property. The Sanibel bike path also runs in front of the property, giving you access to the 25 miles of riding paths. From the rear of the property, the public beach access on Narita Street is a half-mile walk or bike. For more information, go to sanibelcamping.com. Well, that about wraps it up, except to say if you wish to visit Captiva, Sanibel's little sister island, I would say is more suited to a drive up and back to enjoy the beautiful scenery and estate homes. Parking could be very difficult on Captiva. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into bringing an RV or trailer to Sanibel Island. It is a glorious place to day trip or stay for a few days, a week or even a few months. You will not regret it. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one. Make sure you check out our other videos. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be reminded of upcoming content. Also, check out our blog, thesandcapguide.com. The link will be in the description below. Lots of good information about the islands on there. Till the next time, thanks again.